Hello everyone, today I'm going to review the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsession palette. So this is how it looks. It has 9 colors in it, out of which 4 are shimmery ones and the rest 5 are matte. Now let me swatch them. I'm taking this rose goldish shade here, and this is how it looks. It's more of a light bronze shade, pretty pigmented. And then I'm taking this bronze shade. This one is also pigmented and it looks really good for Indian wear. Now I'm taking this proper gold shade, and this one is also very pigmented. This is also very good for Indian wear. Now this one is a bronze and a gold mix, and I didn't find it that pigmented at all. So this is one swipe and this is how it looks. So I tried another swipe and seen, but that is also not that pigmented. So I'm not really a fan of this color. Now let's do the matte swatches. Now this one is a pink peachish shade, which is pretty pigmented, but I use it just for giving my eyelids a base. This one is an orange rust kind of a shade. This one is a dark rust, which I use in the crease. These are pretty pigmented, these 3 shades. And then the yellow one is more of a mustard shade, but it's not that pigmented. I had to rub it twice and thrice to get this color, but if you spray some fix spray, it'll give you a nice mustard yellow color. And then last is the dark brown, which is I use in the crease and the outer corners of my eyes, which is also very pigmented. So these are the shades, all the 9 shades, and this is how it looks on my hand. All of them are really good except of that one last shimmery shade. And yeah, that's it. I love all these colors. Now let me show you how I would use it for a halo kind of an eyeshadow with autumn colors. I'm taking this rust orangish shade and applying it in my crease, just giving it a nice base. Then I'm taking this dark rust and changed my brush to a dome shaped brush to target the exact area of my crease. Then I'm taking this mustard yellow shade to blend out the corners of my crease, then blending out all the shades I've applied. Then I'm taking the same dome brush and using the dark rust colors and applying it on the outer corners of my eye, because we're doing a halo look. The outer corners will be dark and the center will be light. Now blending it all with a fluffy brush. Now I'm taking a concealer, which I usually use, and applying it on the center of my eyelids, which is usually the eyeball area. Then I'm filling that area with that light rust shade. I'm blending it all with a brush. Then I'm taking the Kat Von D tattoo eyeliner and just giving a winged eye look. And then going in for a mascara from the Benefit Bad Girl Bang. Here I'm trying to give a clean look around my eyebrows to give that bright shade around my eyes. And this is how it looks. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe if you do. Bye bye.